Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to insert shapes in MS Word. So you can very easily insert this shapes in MS Word. So firstly you need to click on insert. You see here this insert tab. So just click on it. Now here you see shapes. So click on it, this option. So you see here this big window will be open and here you show so many shapes. So select which one you like, equation shapes and more basic shapes and etc. will be there. So select as you need like circle this. So just click on it and draw it like this way. You see here, drag and drop it. You this way. You see here very easily you can insert this shape and you can customize like color. You can change the color, double tap on it and you can change it. So this way you can very easily insert shapes in MS Word. So thanks for watching this video.